Scary? You mean like this? But do you think it's scary enough to win scariest jack-o'-lantern at the Halloween party, Nature Cat? Nature Cat? Nature Cat?
Yes, it's scary. Really, really scary. Nice work, Hal.
Thank you, kind sir.
Not everything about Halloween has to be scary, Nature Cat. Look at my fairy costume. Floating, 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 gently floating, floating, floating to the clouds. Whoa, nice pumpkin, Daisy. Oh, thanks. I'm going to enter it in the biggest and most beautiful pumpkin contest. Man, oh man, I just love this pumpkin so much. Just love you, pumpkin.
I love it too. How it's so Halloweeny and orangey and pumpkin-y.
It sure is a beaut. I just hope it's big enough to win.
I don't think I have to worry about that. Ta-da! Whoa! Now that's a pumpkin. Oh,